Ratio and proportion. First of all, to warm up, here are some simple problems to warm you up ready for learning ratio and proportion. So if you want to pause the video after each one and have a go, and I'll go through the answers in a moment. Number 1, a bar of chocolate weighs 50 grams. How much will 7 bars of chocolate weigh? Number 2, 1 litre of orange paint costs £15. How many litres of orange paint could you buy with £345? Number 3, a box of 4 muffins costs £3.60. You might want to think about if this was a test, you'd underline that bit. A box of 4 muffins costs £3.60. How much will 24 muffins cost? Number 4, there's 2 parts for number 4. Joanna bought 6 sports drinks for £2.40. How much does 1 sports drink cost? How much would 4 sports drinks cost? If you want to make sure you've done all of the questions, we're now going to mark them together. So number 1, the bar of chocolate weighing 50 grams, and we want to know how much 7 bars of chocolate will weigh. So I've worked out that 7 times 5 is 35, therefore I know that 7 times 50 is 350 grams. Number 2, 1 litre of orange paint costs £15. How many litres of orange paint could you buy with £345? So I'm going to do 345 divided by 15. So I'm doing the total number of money divided by the cost of each litre of paint. I've written out my multiples of 15 here to make sure that I'll be able to do the division. And 15 into 34, well, I can do 30 is a multiple of 15, and that is 2 lots of 15. I then subtract with 4, bring the 5 down, and I know from my multiples of 15 that 45 is 3 times 15. So my answer is 23 litres of orange paint. Number 3, a box of 4 muffins costs £3.60. How much will 24 muffins cost? Now, the important thing I need to remember is that it's not £3.60 for every muffin, so I don't need to do £3.60 times by 24. Firstly, I need to work out how many boxes or how many packs of muffins I need to buy, because it said a box of 4 muffins is £3.60. Well, 24 divided by 4 is 6, so I need to buy 6 packs of muffins. I know that each pack is £3.60, so I'm going to do multiply £3.60 by 6. Before I even start multiplying, I'm going to put a decimal point where I need it in my answer to make sure I don't forget. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 3 is 18. Add the 3 is 21. So my final answer is £21.60. That is the cost of 24 muffins. Number 4. Joanna bought 6 sports drinks for £2.40. I need to work out how much 1 sports drink costs and then how much 4 sports drinks costs. Okay, so I've drawn myself a bar to help me work this out. Now the whole bar represents £2.40, which is 6 drinks, 6 sports drinks. So what I need to do is I need to work out the cost of 1 drink by dividing £2.40 by 6. Now I've spotted that 24 is a multiple of 6. 6 times 4 is 24, so therefore 2.4 divided by 6 will be 0.4. So each drink is 0.4 or 40 pence. How many of those am I interested in when I'm working out the cost of 1 drink? Well, it's one of them. So 1 drink is 0.40 pence. I need to write it in that form, because if you look in the answer box, there's a pound sign there. So I can't write 40p. I need to write £0.40 as my answer. And then for the second part of the question, for 4 drinks, well, this time I need to circle 4 of them because I need to know the cost of 4 drinks. I know that 4 times 4 is 16, so 0.4 times 4 will be £1.60. And that's my answer to the part 2. If you want to watch the next video, which is revising ratio and proportion in more detail and looking at problems involving unequal sharing.